Hey, what's up? This is Reed, aka Carnivore Chef. To start these little meaty muffins, you'll need a pound of some pretty lean ground beef. I'm using 85/15, but I suggest using some 90/10 if you can find it. Add in 2 whole eggs, 1 ounce by weight of ground pork rinds, and 1 tablespoon of seasoning of your choice. I'm using my smoker in a can smokestack, but some Cajun spice would be nice here too. Mix this thoroughly. I spent a solid 3 minutes making sure everything was mixed well, and you should too. Grab the bacon you made in the intro and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Set aside and grab a few slices of trash cheese. Cut these into bite-sized pieces as well, sans flavor enhancement wrapper. Now, here's the fun part. Grab a standard-sized muffin tin that's preferably non-stick. Grab yourself a little wad of meat and begin pressing it in, making a bowl shape. Now, grab a couple of pieces of your trash and bacon and press them down into this meatball. Now, grab yourself a second meat wad and press it in and around the edges to seal the bacon and garbage within a beefy coffin. Repeat the step until you filled all of your muffin holes. If you leave any muffin holes unfilled, I will be very upset and will be forced to disown you. Place this pan onto a cookie sheet and set it into an oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Remove and let rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Just ignore the explosions all over the pan. Those are happy explosions. It's like a reverse bacon cheeseburger, but I think it's good enough that you should hit that like and subscribe button for me.